Hello, this is the final exam English B1 more. Um, I'm Claudia Patricia Jimenez Forero. I'm bacteriologist specialized in occupational health management, and I have a master in environmental and occupational health. Today, I want to talk about mining workers. That is a subject that I investigated for a few years and I consider important in addition to allowing me to express more ideas for uh, this activity. Of course, from my vision and my knowledge. Okay, let's go. Mm, Traditionally, in mining, most of participants are men whose educational level is very basic, who have problems with drugs and alcohol abuse as a customary habit. In different studies, it has been described that the mining conditions can provoke not only occupational illnesses but also those one of common origin. The results of some articles established once more that the social dynamics relate to mining as a labor activity. Consider mining labor something legal as illegal. And although working conditions and their effects on individuals has been studied many times, it is still necessary to investigate more on the health state, um, illnesses, and life quality of the old people relate to this job and their families. This turns into a challenge due to the fact that people working on mining don't come from the same place where they are working or stay there provisionally, so that all the activities about health promotion and prevention of illnesses should be should be implemented rapidly. That is why it's important to contribute with more studies related to this working area, especially in the third world context in order to dignify, dignify, dignify the meaning labor. Okay, that is the subject that I choose. Is a professional subject, and thank you.